stepping out flat. Body hot like July. Never ramp on the inside. All I can say, oh, nah, 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 nah. No compromise. You a star. Putting up day and night. Metal to the battle swan. Living in a high of it. And I say never. Yeah. Forget who you are. You a star.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. In today's video, I'm sharing a phenomenal video on my knotless braids. This one is going to include maintenance tips. It's also going to include some awesome styles that you can do with your knotless box braids or even your regular box braids. So let's get into it. Now, I just showed you all a visual of how I wrap my hair at night, but I will give you guys all the details at the end of the video. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Now, for those who have not been watching my vlogs, and if you haven't, you need to get caught up. I got knotless box braids for my anniversary vacation as well as for my birthday, and I've had these in for a month. They are knee length. This is not what I asked for. I actually requested thigh length, but they ended up being knee length when I got out of the chair, and I was a little apprehensive about them, but I'm actually liking them more and more each day. So right now I'm going to cut away to some original footage from when I originally got my hair braided, which was over a month ago once again. And I'm actually planning to take them out soon, but I wanted to do this video for you all, so let's get into it. So let's head in here. I'm getting my hair done at Exotic Braids in Euless, Texas. So this is the Salon, Exotic Braids and Beauty Salon. We're about to head in. So one person does the front while the other does the back. Oh, that's good. How long does it generally take? Especially for the length that I'm getting.
Maybe about 6 hours.
Okay. I'm deciding if I want butt length or thigh length.
Do you feel like thigh length would be too long?
This is butt.
This is butt right here. So longer will be thigh. Do thigh.
Okay, thigh. Thigh is good. That's where I want. Okay, summer.
No, whoa, but I want to show you know. I'm a man. I'll just get on them things. Man. Boy on this.
So I like it. I'm going to look at to be made.
Okay, check out pepper.
No, people know what you
yeah. Ati jajumọ wọn. Àwọn yẹn náà yà jókòó.
Twin. Okay. Mary and Martha.
Yeah. What's even worry o?
Baby, I watch it. I'm grateful.
Thank you so much. Yeah, if she was in town, she would be in her son too. Not a celebrity.
You care about middle parts?
I would like to be able to part it in the middle. Let's get her on camera. All the beautiful stylists. Hi. Say hi. Beautiful Nigerian sisters.
I am Mary Bonnet, right?
Yes. Let me just say, it was so difficult recording at this salon. They had such a great system going and they moved so quickly that I didn't want to mess them up, hence the limited footage, but they did an awesome job. I had a great experience and they are so neat, so long, not what I was expecting, but they grew on me, as I stated earlier. So now let's get into how I've been maintaining my knotless box braids. You all may not be able to tell, but my scalp is really dry and my hair is a bit frizzy. Now, I actually haven't washed my hair the way I typically would if my natural hair was out, but whenever it feels itchy, I use a rinse-free cleansing foam by Proclaim. This is from their Black Sea Oil and Aloe line, and it helps to remove buildup and residue from your hair and scalp without applying water. Because I like the foam, I also decided to get the moisturizing spray as well as the hair elixir, which is great for moisturizing the hair and scalp and also ridding the scalp of flakiness. In addition to that oil, I also like using the Curls Hair Under There oil, and this is a soothing and cooling scalp potion. I like layering the two because I really enjoy the cooling sensation from the Curls oil, and I feel like it's great for hair growth. So I like adding both, but you really only need one. So right now I'm going to demonstrate this process, and then we're going to get into some styles.
Baby, I can tell by how you want me, you don't care about my money at all. And she could have anyone she want, but she showed me she was down from the jump. And baby, you be be saying that you want me. All this luxury don't mean nothing at all. She can have anyone she want, but she showed me she already knew what's up. She a go-getter, no broke. Hourglass body, got that photo figure. But the camera flash, she like no pictures. Time looking like you're moving slow-mo with ya. Shorty bad and she know it, yeah she know. She shake it by the hands and she throw it like CeeLo. Feel like something pulling us together. Vegito, I'll be locked down for a minute, free Greedo. She got $1 million smile, so you know the rest is mad guap, bad hot. Ask me what my type is, she in caps lock. Whipping something looking like a replica from Matchbox. Shorty, if this shit to scratch off, you the jackpot, yeah.
So wavy, it go crazy. You just so about it, baby. Crochet it, don't entertain them. No, yeah.
Baby, I can tell by how you want me. You don't care about my money at all.
She can have anyone she want, but she showed me she was down from the jump. Yeah,
baby, you be saying that you want me. All this luxury don't mean nothing at all.
She can have anyone she want, but she showed me she already knew what's up. Yeah.
Introvert in an extrovert body.
All right, it's looking good, and my scalp is feeling amazing. Now to lay my hair down after doing all that, because that does create some frizziness, I do like to use the Aussie Instant Freeze Mousse, and this is a 24-hour hold. It's really good for laying your hair down, and I recently discovered that it works really well on my edges as well.
Playing this ain't Fortnite. Queen of the South, I can tell you the boss type. Call me Jon Snow, you know I'm a rule the North, right? So wavy, it go crazy. You just so about it, baby. Crochet it, don't entertain them. No, yeah.
Baby, I can tell by how you want me. You don't care about my money at all.
She can have anyone she want, but she showed me she was down from the jump. Yeah,
baby, you be saying that you want me. All this luxury don't mean nothing at all.
She can have anyone she want, but she showed me she already knew what's up.
For best results after applying the Instant Freeze Mousse, be sure to allow it to set overnight or for about an hour so it has enough time to dry, and it will look so laid. Now, I did not allow it to dry as long as I should have, but I did place it on my silk scarf for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I took it off. So if you see any white residue, that's because the hair is not fully dry.
Yeah. Baby, I can tell by how you want me. You don't care about my money at all. You be saying that you want me. All this luxury don't mean nothing at all.
She can have anyone she want, but she showed me she already knew what's up. She can have anyone she want. She can have anyone she want. She can have what she want. She can have anyone she want. She can have anyone. She can have anyone she want. Can have anyone she want, but she showed me she already knew what's up. Yeah.
All right, y'all, I've already shown you all some maintenance tips as well as what my braids look like with a middle part and a side part. Let me know which one is your favorite. Now it's time to get into some other styling options.
Stop, wait right here. Let me get you in the moment. Yeah. Hold up, freeze. Stay right there. Let me get you in focus. Yeah. All I see is you and me. Slow it down and let it breathe. Hold up, stop. Wait right here. Let me get you in focus. You from LA, but live in Atlanta. You want it all, and I ain't even mad at you. Yeah. Pause for the flick, glass half full, baby, can I take a sip? Got them all mad when you looking like this. Told them don't trip. You're all I wanna see. The star of my show. My baby's so HD. Can't take my eyes off. I never wanna be on your bad side. Face it, girl, you ain't got a bad side. Got them all beat by landslide. Your pics all over my timeline, and they don't lie. So stop. Wait right here. Let me get you in the moment. Yeah. Hold up, freeze. Stay right there. Let me get you in focus. Yeah. All I see is you and me. Slow it down and let it breathe. Hold
Let me get you in focus. Hey.
I keep finding you in everything. When I see you in her eyes, I keep finding you in little things, like watching her running by. Don't quite know if I should cry or smile when I see her growing high. But I keep finding you in everything. Oh, and I've seen you for a while. Beauty, I found you. Started small, now you be beauty queen. Oh, more inside than what's seen. Beauty queen. Oh, on your side, where your team. Beauty queen. Oh, started small, now you be beauty queen. I keep finding you and how she stands up, even when she's terrified. Get so proud of when she stops and says no, when something just isn't right. Don't quite know if I should cry or smile when I see her growing high. I keep finding you in everything, oh, and I've seen you for a while. Beauty, I found you. Started small, now you be beauty queen. Oh, more inside than what's seen. Beauty queen. Oh, on your side, where your team. Beauty queen. Oh, started small, now you be beauty queen.
Look, comparing contrast, shorty, I could never. You know me and you gon' kick it like it's copper weather. I'ma tell you about the Father, nobody better. I'ma walk you through his words, just these 6 letters. Soaring on eagle wings, looking at my feather. I was scared to have a daughter till the day I met her. Now I look at you, looking like your mama do. Already know you a queen and you're beautiful. Growing up fast, why can't you slow down? You can hold your own, but if it go down, call on your big bros and your father. Something special about a dad and his daughter.
Started small, now you be beauty queen. Oh, more inside than what's seen. Beauty queen. Oh, on your side, where your team. Beauty queen. Oh, started small, now you be beauty queen. Oh, ask the Lord to bless your feet as you go and chase your dreams. You don't see it now, but you'll see. You're my beauty queen, my beauty queen.
Everything proper. You won't stop my hunger. You done made me stronger. No weapon they form shall prosper. Ay. Everything nice. Me and mine catching our vibes. I done been down at the same time. No ghost gon' make this thing right. Cause I've been up way too early, way too hardy. Pray my God who heal somebody. Music gon' change your body up. Better come join this party. Way too early, way too hardy. Pray my God who heal somebody. Music gon' change your body up. Better come join this party. Pray no weapon formed against you will prosper. We've been down so long now it's time to prosper. Pray no weapon formed against you will prosper. We've been down so long now it's time to prosper. Hey, go mommy, tell daddy sorry. We don't want to hurt nobody. We just want dance and surgery. Hey, go mommy, tell Gigi sorry. We don't want to hurt nobody. We just want dance and surgery. Hey, everything different, but I've been minding my business. Trying to get us some wisdom. God knows what it is I've been missing. I've been up and down wrecking my brain. Trying to figure out what has been later. I know he's gonna make this thing right in time. So I thank God for his faith. Cause I've been up way too early, way too hardy. Pray my God who heal somebody. Music gon' change your body up. Better come join this party. Way too early, way too hardy. Pray my God who
that was the last style, and I love that one so much. Let me know which style was your favorite. Now I'm going to show you guys how I wrap my hair at night. Because my hair is so long, I can't wrap it the typical way, so I have to do some other things in order to ensure it's all tucked away and protected. But I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box for all the links and specifications to products that I mentioned. Be sure to share this video with a friend. I look forward to your feedback, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.